Hello and welcome to another Englicious activity 2-minute demo. And the activity we're going to look at today is slightly different. I found this by on the right hand index looking in primary, Key Stage 2 and Year 6. Since today we're looking at the Year 6 grammar, punctuation, spelling tests. We have lots of little mini exercises for students to try. We have a long list here covering lots of topics from the curriculum. I'll show you a few examples of those today. This first one, we are seeing if the highlighted word is a noun or a pronoun, and we have a simple choice between the two options, noun and pronoun. So we could again put this up on the interactive whiteboard and have your learners take part. You get immediate feedback at the bottom, and when you click try again, you get new examples. And since this is Englicious, all our examples are taken from the corpus, so they're authentic, real-life examples of English language. Another type of activity we have in these mini tests, this time we're clicking the words, and in this example we're looking for determiners, so articles, indefinite, definite articles, other things. And again, we click check answers, we get our feedback, we click try again, we get brand new authentic sentences, and we can keep practicing that till we get it right. These are getting slightly more complex as we go. We're moving on to modal verbs, and just in the same way, we're clicking the modal verbs, submit your answers, we get our feedback, and we could keep doing that activity with more examples. Another multiple choice question here, this time looking at types of sentences, commands or imperatives, exclamation, statement, and question. And in this one, you'll notice the punctuation marks have been removed to make it that little bit more challenging to get the correct type of sentence. So we have many different topics covered. This last example we'll look at is to highlight subordinating conjunctions. So some of these can also function as prepositions, which makes this challenging, and they come in different parts of the sentences depending whether it's fronted or not. And just the same again, we get our feedback, and we can find many more different tests at Englicious.org.